Hello and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday, so the day after my previous video went up, and I just got to the Sprouts near our house. I have some grocery shopping to do. I've got a couple of other errands to run this evening. My husband is sick at home, so it is up to me to do the errands, and I'm excited to get the house in order and get situated and kind of restart this weekend. Because last weekend I was in Arizona for a Women in Nutraceuticals group leadership summit, and then before that I was I in Austin the weekend before that? What was I doing? It's just been one thing after another, non-stop for the past many weeks, it feels. So this weekend is a take a breath, get all the laundry done, clean the house, the bathrooms are disgusting, and kind of refresh for the coming months. I also got invited to a derby party at a neighbor's house this weekend, so I doubt my husband will be able to go because he is very sick, and I doubt he'll be better by tomorrow afternoon for the derby. So I will go, and this is a full-on, everyone's dressing up, the men are wearing seersuckers and having a tie contest, and the women are going to be in their dresses, and I found a hat on Amazon with a big feather in it. So I think it'll be fun. They're gonna have some southern type fare. So that's one reason also that I'm at the grocery store, because I'm gonna look up recipes that are relevant to the derby but are also just easy to make. Maybe muffins or desserts, or I don't even know what is derby food. Let's see what ChatGPT says. It gives us Kentucky hot brown sliders, Benedictine spread, pimento cheese dip, mini country ham biscuits. Okay, none of these because I'm not making the main dish. Drinks and dessert, derby pie bars, easier to serve than full pies, it says. Bread pudding with bourbon sauce. None of these are easy make and take things. Finger foods and nibbles. They have deviled eggs with bourbon bacon. Ugh. Can you take just a Greek dish to a derby party? Do they do that? Anyway, I'm gonna head inside, see what I find. I only have two things on my list, and that is soup and milk. M-A-L-K. And hopefully, by the time I'm done, it will have stopped raining. Fingers crossed. Not planning to do a haul or anything, but it is becoming part of the Sprouts routine to get a Chomps stick of some kind and then an Olipop to go with it. I think the very first time I ever tried one of these Chomp sticks was actually on the vlog. It was one of the turkey ones and I couldn't figure out how to open it, and now every time it's so easy. And I think back to that moment literally every time I have one of these and I go, how could I not figure it out? I love when I'm filming in my car and someone walks past my car and looks in and sees me filming, and they're probably thinking, what on earth? I did get a couple of jars of my favorite soup. So I like the chicken and cauliflower rice, and then I picked up the chicken noodle for Sandy. And I'm thinking I'm gonna cook up some of the chicken I bought and add it to the soup to bulk it up a little bit, and that is gonna have to be dinner tonight. It's Friday, but with him not feeling well and it being so rainy, it's really just to get something cozy and stay in. We almost ordered soup, delivered to our house for lunch. I thought, you know what, I have to run out anyway. Why don't I just get it and I'll just make it myself. Let's see if I can figure this out without asking for help. I think this might be what I want. It is a bit later now and I've just got dinner going, so I thought I'd show you the chicken and soup situation going on right now. So this is just cooking up. I did little strips that we'll put in the soup. And then we have the chicken and rice cauliflower and chicken noodle. Woo. Come on. We just finished watching the latest and greatest of this new television show called Mobland with Tom Hardy and Pierce Brosnan and Helen Mirren. You have to watch it. It's amazing if you like that sort of gangster revenge type show. But before we go to bed, I am making a little concoction for myself for the allergies, and then I mentioned my husband is not doing too hot right now, so it's a little combination juice that I've been making, and I will show you just in case you're interested to try it. So it's juiced lemons and apple cider vinegar, and then I also picked up at Sprouts today some ginger. So I'm going to show you how I make this, and that'll be the end of this fabulously interesting Friday. Oh wait, am I doing two separate ones? Do you want plain and chocolate chip? Saturday, and today is Derby Day. So we popped out earlier, we ran to the gym, and then we stopped at the liquor store and got a hand-carved Angel's Envy bottle of bourbon. So we're gonna take that with us, and then I have this little retro dress that I got off of Top Vintage a couple of years ago, but I wanted to show you the hat that I got off of Amazon because I think it's gonna be perfect for this event, but for this dress too. The real challenge is gonna be getting this to stay on my head. So it has a clip on the bottom. So the thought is you just stick it on and the clip should work, hopefully. Otherwise I'm gonna mess up my entire hairstyle here. I don't you think like this?
Cute.
Off the side like that?
It's a little too off the side.
Help me, I need your help. Or does it go on this side? No, it goes on this side, yeah. I would imagine. Like this. Like that? Like that? How is it meant to go? Nope. Oh my god, this is really hard actually. Well, I certainly look like I've been to the races.
It's good.
No, it's not. You are hesitating way too much. Now it's too far over.
Now it's too far to the left.
How's that?
Perfect.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
No, it actually is perfect.
Okay. I think we got it.
Miss Kelly? Miss Kelly, we're gonna be ready? If you're ready to eat anything or if you just want a snack and it's this way to meet somebody.
I didn't know he was the favorite.
Someone come from Kentucky
Rain. I don't know how they're running in the rain like that. Oh my gosh, it's a cluster. The rail. And these two are well, who got soccer? You got second, third. You got second and third. What's up with that?
It is Sunday now, and I just got to True Food Kitchen, where I'm meeting Melody for brunch. I am delivering her very, very, very late Valentine's Day present, and then we'll see where the day takes us. I'm starting to feel like I live in the Pacific Northwest because it has rained or been dark and gray and sad every single day for like the last week and a half. It is Monday morning now, and I just got a workout in at the gym. I have been back on the 5 a.m. grind because work is getting very busy. Not that it's not ever busy, but just particularly jam-packed schedule-wise. And I'm finding in the afternoons when I go to the gym, it's too crowded. I can get no machines that I need, and I'm doing the shreddy again, and if I have something on the workout plan and there's someone on the machine, it drives me crazy. So I just come in the morning now. I'm done by, right now it's 20 after 6. So I usually wake up at like 4:30, AG1, get to the gym, smash it out, and then I'm home, showered, butt and chair by like 7:30, 8 o'clock. I actually have a really good feeling about this week. I don't know if you ever get that on Mondays. It's like there are no Sunday scaries. You just feel like Monday hits and you're ready for it. And maybe that's rare, and maybe I'm weird for feeling like that, but every now and then there is a week. And I think this is gonna be one of those weeks. I am struggling today. As good as it feels to be back on the 5 a.m. workout routine, I'm so tired. It is Cinco de Mayo today though, so I am wearing my grunt style Libertad o Muerte shirt. It is the only thing that I have that is remotely relevant. But I also ordered lunch from Blue Coast Burrito here in town. It came with some chips, which are festive. And I got this lovely looking, like, taco chicken salad. At least I think there's chicken in it. It doesn't look like it. Is it underneath? Oh, it's underneath. This is not for you. Because I am such a fan of Spindrift, I am also going to have a little lime bubbly. I would much rather be having a margarita right now, but I've told myself my new goal is to not drink on weeknights, just to give a little bit of a break, you know? So this I'll have to do. So I've got my chips, salad, lime, and I'm back to the office for the next many hours. Oh my god. You are so annoying, my dear. And I just had lunch 30 minutes ago. You can't possibly be hungry. This is not good. This is not okay. Stay. It is a while later now, and the afternoon has slowed down, so I thought it would be the perfect time to run out and get some of the looking for shoes, there we go. Run out and get some of the ingredients that I need to make dinner tonight. I'm making, like I mentioned, like a pasta salad that he loves for summer, and then, ooh, I need the recipe of these like strawberry bars we found in a magazine, and I have none of the ingredients that I need. So this is what I'm gonna attempt to make tonight. And the recipe honestly does not seem too difficult. I actually have most of these things already, but like sour cream, I don't have. Whole milk, we never use. Strawberries, I don't have. What is sparkling sugar? I don't know. Generally, when I am making recipes that call for strange ingredients, I will wander down the baking aisle, and if it doesn't jump out at me, I will just improvise and hope it turns out for the best. I have no idea what sparkling sugar means. They have sanding sugar, but they're all in like vibrant colors. I have a feeling that this is not what I'm looking for. Oh, we're gonna skip that one.
Cake.
Did you like 3 or like just in half? Would be optimal.
2.
2 like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's fluffy.
What's this called again?
Sunken strawberry lemon cake. You on a corner or a side?
I want the big one at the top.
This one?
No, at the top. No, over there.
This
Nope,
one.
that one.
Okay. I'm hoping it's squishy because it's fluffy and not because it's not done. Oh, I think it's done.
Oh yeah.
Does it look alright?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. But we gotta do a first try. But I need your honest opinion too. You don't have to be on camera.
Scrumptious.
Mm-hmm. It's better than Bisquick.
It's lemony. It's delicious.
It's delicious. Oh, I'm into this. You are too, Josephine.
She just wants whipped cream.
She just wants whipped cream. Hello, it is Thursday now, and I think the last day I filmed was on Sunday, so I do apologize that this week has been a little light in the vlog footage. We did so much over the weekend though, I didn't want to overwhelm and overpack this vlog and make it way too long. So I wanted to share that next week I will be starting my degree at the University of Bridgeport. I'm very excited to dive into the human nutrition world, and I'm not sure how vlogging will go, if it'll stay on Thursdays that I'll be uploading videos or if I'll move it to another day. I do want to try to do a like back to school, getting your master's while also having a full-time job type of series. So we'll see. I gotta put my thinking cap on about that. But if there is anything specific that you would like me to cover or that you'd like to see in this vlog, please drop me a comment down below. I did also want to show you, I picked up a couple of wine glasses off of the university's website because normally I would go for coffee mugs, but the coffee mugs were pitiful. They were like the little campfire gristly with the pasted on university logo. Like, it was not good. So instead I got the wine glasses, and I got 2 of them so whoever I'm celebrating with can also match me. I just thought they were really cool. And I do have a New Year's Eve champagne bottle that was one of my goals for the year, and I wrote on it, start your master's program at Bridgeport. And so I do have that ready to go for next week, so my husband and I can pop that open to celebrate, and now we have the perfect wine glasses to enjoy it from. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, do all the things, and I will see you for another video next week.